Hi, good afternoon. How are you today? Welcome to the event.
Telluride.
It's right here is your welcome bag.
Thank you.
Have everything.
One more straight ahead.
Reference the card so you can actually get some grubs.
And then like it asked me to be in the movie. It's like I got my own director's chair.
That's awesome.
What does it say?
Okay, get your seats ready. Get your box of Kleenex out. Get your hamburger and your
I
milkshake.
need to wring the water out of this.
Tonight, members of the van-dwelling community who have come in their vehicles, please give them a hearty welcome. We also want to thank
We would like to thank Julie. Julie and her wonderful team at Telluride Film Festival. Your love for cinema, your love for human connection brought us together tonight. Thank you so much. We love you.
Viva las Chivas!
And hopefully you guys have all found the radio stations where you can listen to the film. Please, please, please stay after and listen to a wonderful Q&A with the filmmakers and John Horn